In Zimbabwe, even the pulpit has become a battlefield. The succession tussle. Zalapira mashoko nyasukuda pachena kuno kunzi azvisina kumira zvakanaka nyika yeZimbabwe. Battles that are now being fought even in my churches are my battles of politics. Zalapira mashoko kuda chokwa pana hope chikono ajana zoti the atmosphere in the ruling party Zanu PF is no longer safe. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Anamudanyara chiti. When a retired general and vice president walks into a church and speaks in parables, the message is not about scripture, it is about power struggle to succeed his boss. The story of a greedy king asking for more time, as told by Chiwenga, only to be granted years he would never use, is not just a biblical sermon, it is a political warning. History has always spoken in coded language. When fears fills the air, today it is sermons, but the message remains the same, that power is never satisfied, and those who claim to it often misread the moment. What we are witnessing is not just a political rivalry, it is a struggle over time itself. Who controls it, who extends it, and who ultimately runs out of it. Doma developments are kubuda panguwa inoi. Ari kunokonze VP Costa no Chiwenga asikuita zvekutamba. Ende panguwa inoi izi stance yakamira nayo irazoti iri kuthreatena zvikananda. Panekomesa kuchemero zofunga enyi matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muzaona subscribe or like up, wachita ino kutena on the bell icon.